Hi everyone, today I have a completely drugstore affordable look for you, right down to the skincare and even the lashes are very affordable. I'm starting out with this new moisturizer that I got from this grocery store called Lidl. It's actually quite nice. I paid under $2 for it and it feels very luxury. It's like in glass packaging, it's really cute. I bought this one and like a nighttime moisturizer. I'm now going in with the NYX Do Me Up honey drops or something like that. It's, in the clear packaging with the gold flakes in it. It's nice. I'll probably forget to use it a lot, but yeah, whatever. I'm now prepping my eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I actually spent a lot of time not liking this concealer or appreciating it at all, but it's actually quite nice and I'll be using it a lot more often now. And now I'm just setting my eyelids so that the shadows can blend nicely over top. I'm now filling in my eyebrows, just brushing them out, and then using the darkest shadow in the e.l.f. Matte for Mattes palette. It was actually a perfect shade for my brows, and I think I'm going to be using that shade kind of regularly because I don't like the shade that I have right now for my Anastasia brow powder. I feel like it's too light. So this one worked out really nicely. If you're on a budget, definitely try and make what you have work. Eyeshadows work perfect as brow products, and brow products can work perfect as eyeshadows. So, yeah. I'm now going in with the softer brown shade, taking it all over the crease, just working it in as my transition shade. Just typical for a common eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking this warmer toned brown and putting it on the outer corner of my eye and blending it into the crease a little bit more, and now taking this deeper brown on a tinier pencil smudge brush and focusing it in the crease only, just to really have it deepen up and make it a little bit more dramatic. And now taking that original blending brush and making things look nice and seamless. I'm now taking the No Filter Concealer and creating a half cut crease sort of deal. Just using a flat eyeshadow brush for this step. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution highlighting palette and I'm using that shade as an eyeshadow shade. It didn't come out as like beaming as I had hoped it would be, but it's fine. I go in with glitter a little bit later. But yeah, I was expecting it to be a little bit more in your face. On the cheeks, this highlighting palette is out of this world, so I was kind of surprised that it didn't work as well on the eyes, but it's fine. I am now just going back in with some more deeper shades of the matte shadows and blending it on the outer corner and in the crease again, just to kind of blend things out, make things a little bit more seamless, and bring things together. Now for the fun part, I'm taking this beautiful, beautiful liquid glitter that I got from Peripera. It's the Sugar Twinkle glitter in the shade Kitten Beige. It's so stunning, really comparable to the Stila Glitter and Glows. This is even long wearing and doesn't really smudge on me at all. I'd highly recommend it as a cheaper alternative. You can even get it on Amazon for just like $8. Pretty inexpensive, and it really makes your look something special. I just love these guys. I'm gonna collect all of them, I think. Now going back in with the deeper matte shades again. It's important to do this with any eyeshadow look to make sure things look blended, seamless, and intensify things a little bit more. I came back with my eyeliner and my lashes done. Both are affordable options and both will be listed in the down bar. The lashes I used are the ones from AliExpress that I had posted a big review on. Definitely recommend checking that video out. I will leave it in the description bar. All those lashes were under $2, so that was crazy. But I'm just taking the new NYX foundation, the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I freaking love this foundation. I got it for $10. It's $14 originally. I got it on sale. oh my god, this foundation is incredible. It lasts literally all freaking day. I get so many compliments when I wear it. It's insane. Definitely recommend it. I think anyone would love it. I'm now taking that ColourPop concealer again, the no filter concealer, and putting it all over my face. I think that the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation is a little teeny bit dark for me, a little bit too warm toned, so the lightness of this concealer ended up playing really well with the foundation. I think my only issue that I had with this concealer, and it was a big issue, but the issue that I had with this concealer was that it kind of lifted up whatever product would be underneath it, and it kind of separated on me. But I didn't have this problem when paired with the NYX foundation, so overall it was a really good experience for both products. I think that they worked really well together. I haven't had a chance to try out the ColourPop No Filter foundation, but I would be really interested in trying that out. But yeah, I just switched between the Morphe foundation brush and a Real Techniques complexion sponge. I just don't have the time to use the sponge to blend out my concealer all over my face, but I do definitely like to use it underneath my eyes because I don't like a cakey under eye. I think it's really unflattering on anybody. But now I'm just baking underneath my eyes. For that, I use the rcma No Color Powder, I think it's called. It'll be in the description bar for sure. But I just use that all over my face. Well, mainly in the places that I get oily and crease a lot. I'm now using this bronzer from Morphe. It ends up being a lot more intense than I had thought it would be. I was kind of expecting it to be maybe a little bit harder to pick up. I kind of don't love pigmented cheek products. I like a pigmented highlight, but like a pigmented bronzer or blush, I find difficult to use and kind of difficult to control. So I do really appreciate it when brands actually have less pigmented cheek products. I kind of just feel like it shows me that they care a lot about artistry and know that the product doesn't have to be pigmented in order for it to be good. So yeah, I think sometimes it's necessary to have a less pigmented product. This one was just pretty intense. But I went ahead and cleaned it up with some baking and went over it with my foundation brush. Now I'm taking one of the highlights from that Makeup Revolution highlighting palette and putting that where we put highlight. I highly recommend this highlighting palette to literally anybody. I think that it is so nice and it's only $15. I don't know who the girl is that Makeup Revolution collaborated with, but she did a great job. Now I'm taking a Makeup Revolution Baked Blush. I don't know the shade name. I think it's something cute, something with love in it or something. I don't know. It'll be in the description bar. Just taking that highlighting palette again, putting it in my inner corner for some brightness, inner corner highlight. Now I'm taking some of the shadow from the Mad for Matte palette from e.l.f. and putting it on my lower lash line, kind of just to further tie the eye look together, and now applying some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm using this really cheap mascara from Lidl again. Now I am tinting my brows. This brow product is from Essence. It is the Make Me Brow, and I love it. It is such a good drugstore brow gel, brow tint, whatever. I highly recommend it. It gives such a great brow. It doesn't have the holding power that Glossier Boy Brow does, but this is a great dupe. Now I am going in with this Milani lipstick. I think it's something bare, but it's quite nice. It smells really nice. It smells like this nice vanilla scent. I really like it. I'll list the name down below. I applied it and then I'm going to kiss the back of my hand and then do another layer. This lipstick is a little bit sheer, but when you layer it on, it goes on really nicely and lasts a really long time. But I'm just setting my face now with this Ulta Beauty setting spray. But yeah, that's the finished look. I always feel very rushed when I do voiceovers, but like, I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing and talk about it at the same time. I don't know what to do. But yeah, there you go. There's the look. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.